to my YouTube channel, Pilar Vlogs USA. Welcome again to my another Ligo challenge. But this time is I am gonna take a shower while eating a lemon. But first, before I am gonna take a shower and eat the lemon, I am gonna put my lipstick on to have a red lips, okay, while eating and taking a shower. So, I'm gonna put it on. I don't have a mirror. I'm just guessing if it's in the right lip and if there's no lampas. But I guess there's a lampas. Okay, now my lips are red. And it's time to roll! And here is my lemon! There's a sticker. So, Paramount lemon. Lemon! This is from Mexico. So, guys, taking a shower while eating lemon! So, good luck for the expressions. So, guys, I am gonna open it. But first, I am gonna warm up the water. Ah! I am gonna open the lemon. Good luck. Good luck to me. You wanna see? Okay, and look at the lemon, guys. I feel it all. Okay, good. Taran, 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 taran. Wow! Eating lemon while taking a shower. Basa muna tayo. Yan. Okay. So, I'm gonna take my first bite. Good luck to me. Lemon! Ah. Sabay-sabay tayong maasiman! It's sour! Masarap yata. Let's see kung mauubos ko ba ito, ha? Guys, na mas mabuti daw na kainin ang lemon nang walang halong tubig. Or walang halong kahit anong liquid. Para iwas sa sakit ng tiyan. Or acid ba? Acid. Ngayon na-feel ko na ang asim. Asim! Asim! Dapat walang sayang! Ibalik sa bunganga! Dapat walang sayang! Let's go! My God! Naubos ko! Naubos? Maubos ko to talaga! Chula! And I'll be done! Asim! Guys, last one! Last one and I'm done. Eating lemon. Asim, last one na talaga. Kaya! Walang sayang! Ba? Walang sayang! Wow! Amazing! Maubos ko lahat! I finished all the lemon! One whole lemon, guys! No cutting knife! And I ate it all! Wow, amazing! Guys, promise, it's my first time! It's my first time! Oh my gosh, I can't believe it! I finished it all! Woo! Woo! Maligo na! Ligo tayo na! Tapos na tayo kumain ng lemon, so maligo na tayo. Woo! Alright, ligo time. As usual, shampoo. Right? Yan! Next is conditioner! Amazing, guys! I I finish it all. One whole lemon. The soap. Shower, everyone. So, I'm gonna turn it off now. I'm done, everyone. Nice pala itong ganito yung baliktad. Tada! Palda! Okay, guys, I'm done na. Okay, so I'm gonna get my towel. This time, I ate the lemon, the whole lemon. So, I thought it's worse, but it's not. It was my first time to eat the whole lemon. Really, promise. While taking a shower, of course. Eating lemon while taking a shower. So, everyone, thank you very much for watching again. Thank you so much for coming again, everyone. Thank you for the support. Thank you, thank you. If you wanna watch more videos, my Ligo challenge, I put the link in the description box for you to watch. And also, thank you for the Team Premier. Thank you so much, my Team Premier family. Hi. Tapos na ako. Thank you so much, everyone, for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and also please hit the bell so that you're gonna be updated for my next upload.